This video is sponsored by Japanese monthly subscription box Sakurako. Hi guys, it's me Ruri. For those who are not familiar with this channel, I'm about to become a medical student in Italy. Actually, my med school has already started and I'm supposed to attend the lectures online, but I haven't really because I've been prioritizing YouTube over med school and I couldn't really fit into my schedule, like the whole med school stuff, but I'm gonna do that. Today is Wednesday and in a couple of days I'm moving to Italy. By the time you're watching this, I'm already in Italy. And today I want to take you guys along for a productive day in my life. If you have watched any of my vlogs, you know that coffee is a massive part of my life. These days I've been trying to limit my caffeine intake. I try not to drink more than 2 cups a day because it messes up my sleep schedule and makes my teeth look yellow. I try not to eat breakfast because I'm trying to practice autophagy. For those who are unfamiliar with the term autophagy, let me explain it. Japanese cell biologist Yoshinori Otsumi won the Nobel Prize in Medicine in 2016 for his research on how cells recycle and renew their content, a process called autophagy. So the basic idea behind the autophagy is that in the absence of external sources of food, the body begins to eat itself, destroying and recycling its damaged cells, bits, and proteins so that new and healthy versions can be built. Fasting activates autophagy, which helps slow down the aging process and has a positive impact on cell renewal. Autophagy is believed to be essential for helping protect against diseases like cancer and dementia and among others. Since the Nobel Prize winning Yoshinori Otsumi is Japanese, there's so many books in Japan about autophagy and its benefits that are not translated into English. So if you guys are ever into this topic, I can make a video about it. Just let me know in the comments down below. Coffee
I don't usually cry at all, but why is it always close? Ranging from a movie scene to made up people in my dreams. The last time, if I recall, was a feeling.
After enjoying my coffee and listening to some podcasts, I go to upstairs and I start to clean my desk. I'm a really messy person, but when it comes to my desk, it has to be clean and organized, otherwise I just can't work. My room is messy AF, but my desk is organized and clean, always.
I don't usually cry at all, but why is it always?
After cleaning up my desk and setting the mood, I start to plan my day on Google Calendar using the Google Keep and Notion, all of them combined. If you guys want a video about how to plan your day, week, month, whatever, I updated my system, so let me know in the comments below so that I can make a video about it. After planning my day and scheduling, I start to work on the upcoming videos.
My best friends, we start to plan what we will do. Now life's back in color and everything's feeling brand new. Well, I regret the French, always say what's on their mind, leaving lipstick stains on tall glasses of wine, practically invented.
After semi-finishing my script, I go downstairs and I try to teach my mom how to use Google Calendar. She saw how I use my Google Calendar and she wanted to learn it, but the problem with these 50-year-old women is that she doesn't understand anything about technology.
ここから設定ができるの Google Keep ってあるでしょ
なんで入れようとしてんのやめて
君は入れようとしてないの私自分の自分は
とりあえず
ああ、そうだね、そうだよ、そうだよ、ほんとあとはお母さんからもらっちゃえばいいからさ、別にあるんだけど
After spending about a good hour, I give up and decide to make a video about it so that I can just send a link to my mom. Most of the people think that YouTubers do like filming and editing and that is the majority and chunk of the work that they do, but the reality is actually scripting. The script takes quite a lot of time. After 90 minutes solid work session, I eat what my mom cooked for me. I'm currently in Italy and I'm cooking for myself, and the struggle is real. It doesn't taste good. It's at least healthy. I know that it's healthy, but it's not really good. So I probably should learn ASAP how to cook, because this girl is so used to eating delicious meals every day. I just can't stand to the food that I make. It's
I've always heard there's magic in the air as you're watching people dance by midnight.
After having my delicious lunch, I have a quick afternoon tea session. This month, Sakurako's theme is afternoon tea, so the thing that we call oyatsu in Japanese. You can enjoy hanami picnic at your home. The thing that I really love about Sakurako is that it's not only about the snacks, but it's also about the Japanese culture. It has like a 4-cultural guide booklet, and in that booklet, every month they will introduce you some stuff about traditional Japanese culture, and they explain why it is like that. They will explain the history behind it. So even I explore something about Japanese culture and learn new things from it. So if you're interested in Japanese culture, cuisine, and Japanese artisanal snacks, I think Sakurako is such a great way to learn and explore more about the country. Sakurako offers a wholesome Japanese traditional artisan and authentic snacks. Each month you will get a box full of Japanese teas, traditional snacks, and kitchenware enriched of Japanese culture. Every single month they have a different theme, so it's always fun to wait till next month. Use code Ruri to get 5% off your first Sakurako box through the link that I put in the description below and also in the comment section. Thank you Sakurako for sponsoring this video. After a yummy and fun afternoon tea session, I go upstairs and start to work more on my upcoming videos. On Monday, so on Valentine's Day, I'm actually launching a membership on Vibely, which I will explain in a further videos, and I was working on that, so stay tuned. Since I'm moving to Italy, I needed to cancel my gym membership, and I also had to pack some stuff from my apartment. After canceling my gym membership, we decided to meet at Sakagura, which is one of my favorite Japanese restaurants in Kadokyoi. We had a little bit of time until then on, so we decided to walk around the town with my mom in Kadokyoi. I kind of felt sad because I know that I'm gonna leave this city, leave this country that I lived for majority of my life, and I'll probably never be back. So it made me really sad, but yeah. After that, we arrived to Sakagura. So the owner is Japanese, and also the workers are Japanese too. The chef is Japanese. So you can talk to them in Japanese if you want to practice Japanese. I think it's a great way. So I ordered chuhai, which is whiskey combined with soda. It tastes really good, so if you wanna ever try it at your home, try it. It tastes really good. I might even, insert a recipe of it. I'm leaving Turkey and I'm starting a new journey. I don't know. I'm really worried because I don't know Italian. I will be in a city that I never lived before. I have no one. I literally have no one. None of my family members in Italy, or none of my friends are in Italy. Yeah, actually I have a couple of friends, but not someone that I can call when I have an emergency and they can help me out and stuff. So it will be hard probably. And top of that, I'm gonna study medicine, and on top of that, I'm a full-time like YouTuber, so I have a business that I have to take care of because that is how I afford everything.
Go for it, 'cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk.
After eating a lot of sushi, we decided to walk to my apartment. It takes actually quite a lot of time to walk there, but since we ate a lot, especially me, we decided to walk so that we can digest a bit the things that we ate. At least we're just like trying to convince ourselves that we're gonna burn the calories that we ate, but that's not true.
Sleep talk, don't wanna wake up.
We arrived to my apartment school, and I packed stuff from my apartment so that I can bring them to Italy. I think this vlog was filmed like a couple of days before flying to Italy. In order to get into the flight, I needed to get PCR test done. So we came to this Sakura hospital, which is like a huge hospital, and I don't know why, but it's like called Sakura, literally like Japanese cherry blossoms. Don't you think that it fits to the Sakurako's this month's theme? What a coincidence.
Told my brothers one day we gon' make it. We just gotta grind for that paycheck. Mama told me one day I'll be famous. Remember when she used to say she hate this? Back then they would laugh when I say shit. Now I'm inside all them people's playlists. So one day I'll be stomping on those stages.
After getting PCR tested, I came back to home. I did my skincare and I lay on my bed. I read some books on Kindle. These days before going to bed, I try to read at least around like 10 minutes. I usually end up reading 30 minutes or so. And it adds a lot of value to my life. Like before going to bed, it's really calm. Nobody distracts you. You're reading a good book. Most of the time I read books about generally like self-improvement, self-help, productivity, philosophy, and about like money, finance, and a lot of different stuff. I like to expand my knowledge, so I don't really read novels, but if you guys have any like novel recommendations, let me know in the comments down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and thank you Sakurako for sponsoring this video. Bye for now.